So hello and as always, welcome back to Learning. So many of you have been asking me what to do if you see this logo on your actual Apple Watch. So basically this just means that your Apple Watch needs actual charging, so it doesn't mean anything else. Now as you can see, I got here the actual charging magnet, which you can here basically see it. So now if you actually put your actual Apple Watch to charge, you'll see that there's a roundabout on your actual, a circle on your actual charging Apple Watch. So as you can see right now it is charging, so it means it has connected the charging mechanism. And it is true that you will have to wait approximately between, I would reckon, 30 minutes up to 2-3 hours. But just remember that if you see this actual circle on the actual charging mechanism, it does mean that it's connected adequately, that it's charging, and that you shouldn't have any issues whatsoever, okay? Because many of you ask me that it doesn't actually show that it's charging. Well, basically, if you take the actual charging off, as you can see, you haven't got the circle. If you place it back on, you have, okay? So it's really that simple. As always, if you've got any questions, just let me know in the comments, and thank you very much for watching.